Hi everyone, this is Temu haul part 3. This is just going to be a short. I got another stamp for my waxes. And see, this one's really heavy. And it's a rose. I hope you guys can see that. It's a rose. I will do a demonstration. I have to get envelopes. And then I got 3 of the same colored lippy. I don't know how I ended up doing that, but this is in the shade Vincinier. I have no idea, but this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty mauve shade. There you go. Wow. Talk about pigmentation. Wowza, it doesn't help that I had lip balm on first, but there you go. That's what she looks like. Very pretty. Very pretty. I like that. That will be going in here somewhere. For me, and the other 2 will be going in the giveaway bin. So, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.